Realty Bites. Buying, selling, or renting a home can be a daunting task. But with the right real estate tips and advice, it can be a lot less stressful. Our bite-sized real estate media shares the good and bad realities of buying, selling, and renting properties. We strive to keep you informed, stimulate your thoughts, and promote active engagement with our audience. Unlock the secrets. In this video, we're going to teach you how to keep your edge while viewing a property. By following some simple home buying tips, you'll be able to make the most of your viewing experience and get the best price for your new home. When considering a property for potential purchase or preparing to make an offer, it is important to be mindful of how you convey your excitement and what you discuss with your partner in the presence of the agent or homeowner. Avoid giving too much information, and keep your emotions in check until you're away from the property and parties involved. By being mindful of your actions and words when evaluating a property or making an offer, you can increase your chances of success and help protect yourself from being taken advantage of in negotiations. Remember, approach the process with a level head. Communicate your intentions tactfully and maintain composure. This is the key to ensuring you don't miss out on your dream home. You now have the secret to unlocking property success with emotional mastery. If you have enjoyed this video and gained some useful insight, let us know in the comments below. Press like and subscribe to our channel for daily insights. Unlock the secrets.